cat induction chamber, routinely a small animal practice is going to want to switch between filling the induction chamber and then directing the gas toward the nose cone to keep an animal down for a longer procedure. So I have a quick disconnect available as part of the package, where the gas goes in and fills the induction chamber until the cat goes to sleep. And during flushing, remember, we're going to leave the oxygen on, so this will be flushing all the anesthetic waste gas that's going to be in this tubing. When it's time to get the animal out and transfer him to the nose cone, we're going to quickly release and then plug in the anesthetic gas so it directs toward the nose cone of the animal for the longer procedures.